Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to know if someone screenshot your Instagram story. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. First, open your Instagram app. Then, tap on the plus icon right next to your story to upload a new story. Then, share your recorded story. To show you, I'm switching my account to another account. Now I am viewing my posted story. I have taken the screenshot of this story. Now I'm switching my account again to the previous account. Here you can see that I haven't received any notification about the screenshot of the story. It is because Instagram does not give you notification that someone has taken a screenshot of your story. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We're dropping new videos every day to help all of you.